In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of a single page to landscape in your Word document. This can be especially useful when you need to include a wide table, chart, or any other content that fits better in landscape orientation without affecting the rest of your document. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you get it just right. First, let's start by positioning your cursor. You'll want to place it at the very beginning of the page you wish to switch to landscape, or, if you prefer, select the specific text you want to have in landscape. This initial action sets the stage for redefining the page layout for a specific section of your document rather than the entire file. Next, head over to the Layout tab on your toolbar. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Breaks. Click on it, and under the Section Breaks section, you'll see an option called Next Page. Selecting this will create a new section that starts at the next page. This step is crucial because it allows Word to treat everything from this point forward as a distinct section. Hence, when you change the layout, it only affects the page or pages in this newly created section. Now, with the cursor still within the new section we just created, you'll need to adjust the page orientation. You go back to the Layout tab and once again navigate within the options at your disposal. Here, you have a choice. You can either head straight to the orientation and simply select Landscape, or you can click the small arrow located at the bottom right of the Page Setup group. Clicking the small arrow will take you to a more detailed Page Setup dialog box. In this Page Setup dialog, there's an important drop-down menu labeled Apply To. Click it, and you'll be given a few choices. You'll want to select this section, assuming you placed your cursor for a singular page shift, or selected text if you elected to highlight specific parts earlier. This ensures that the change to landscape orientation is restricted only to what you intend. Go ahead and click OK to confirm your settings. After your landscape page is set, you might find the need to revert back to the traditional portrait layout for the remaining parts of your document. To do this, place your cursor at the start of the section where you want to switch back. Again, you'll insert a Next Page section break. This starts yet another section, allowing you to set the orientation back to portrait for everything that follows. By following these steps, you have the flexibility to tailor the layout of your document to your precise needs without disrupting the overall flow or format. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in customizing your document layout.